Alright, wait just a second. This episode's going to be about 3 weights you need to know before you go fishing. So stick around and find out, because we're starting right now. Hey you, this is me, A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors, where we provide tips, tactics, and techniques for beginners who seek to make waves, blaze new trails, and become more efficient in the great outdoors. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Say, before we get started, I just wanted to point out we've got a few new subscribers to the channel, and I wanted to sincerely thank you for joining us. And if you ain't subscribed yet, well, I don't know what you're waiting for. So what are weights, or sinkers, used for in fishing? Well, in short, they're to help you get your bait to the bottom, where the fish are. Most of the time. Now, most of the weights you'll find are made of lead. These are the most cost-effective you'll find, though there are others made of different materials, but they get a little pricey if you know what I mean. However, some places won't let you fish lead due to environmental hazards, so you want to make sure you know the rules before you go ahead and use them. The 2 different types of weights you'll find are fixed and free sliding, or inline, meaning that the line actually runs through the weight and it's free to do whatever it chooses. First things first, the split shot. Split shots are those tiny looking BB things you see at just about every tackle shop nearest you. They're a great all-purpose weight because you can add or remove them however you choose. They can be used by themselves, coupled with others, or used as stoppers for inline weights, which we'll discuss shortly. The next weight on this list is these bass casting sinkers, which is also like a bell sinker, come to think of it. These are another great type of fixed weight, which is also great for drop shot fishing or dragging along the bottom, below the hook. Notice they're spherical, which helps to keep them from getting snagged in weeds or heavy cover. And last but certainly not least, probably my favorite, the bullet weight, aka the worm weight. As you can see, it's shaped like a bullet. This is a free sliding or inline type of weight because the line actually runs through it. Bullet weights come in many different sizes, which the wind and different types of cover you'll be throwing these into will dictate. These weights are great for rigs like the Texas and or Carolina rig, which is obviously something we'll cover in another video because that's just too much to handle all at once. For now, these are the 3 different types of weights you'll need to know before you go fishing. For bass. I apologize if I didn't say that earlier. If you have any questions about these weights, please feel free to ask. And lastly, let me know what weights you use in the comments below. That being said, I'm A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors. It's been a pleasure having you with us today, as it is every day. Take care and God bless, because Novi is out.